This is an overview and tutorial of the Goodie Bar case study and simulation. So let me give you an overview of the story. At any time you can click this button for an overview of the story. So the Goodie Bar is a new type of nutrition bar on the market. The first thing you have to decide is how much you're going to charge for a box of 6 Goodie Bars. The company knows you need to charge at least $5 per box, um, but knows that customers are willing to pay anywhere from $5 to $9.99. You must also determine what quality of materials you want to use. Currently, company is using a mixture of ingredients that cost $3. These are slightly average to above average in quality. However, you can elect to go cheaper at $2.50, higher at $3.50, or the premium mix at $4. Um, Note your price and your materials quality should probably mesh. They should go together. All right, marketing. You can choose to do television advertising, which generally generates awareness. You can go up to $1,000 here. $300 for sales promotions. It's either a yes or a no. Sales promotions are things like coupons, price discounts, contests, etc. And $100 for internet marketing. You select yes or no. This would be advertising on websites, social media, YouTube, etc. You also have the option of buying the new Goodie Mixer. You just select yes or no. The Goodie Mixer costs $1,500 in fixed costs, but reduces your variable costs for each variable cost by $1. All right, so what this does is the purchase of the equipment replaces the human capital. So you have less employee costs, but more upfront costs in purchasing the machine. So let's play. So I'm just going to put in some numbers to show you. So you put in a price. I'm going to choose $5. I want this to be a cheap bar, and I'm going to make it cheap materials. I'm going to do the most advertising I can. Pick sales promotions. I'm not going to do internet marketing, and I'm not going to purchase the Goodie Mixer. I don't want that extra cost. Let's see what happens. Click compute. Oh, it needs to be 100. I'm sorry. I lost money. All right, so my sales revenues were $13,365, but it cost me $13,765. I lost $400. So maybe I need to make some different decisions. Let's see what happens if I get rid of my advertising. Compute it again. I'm going to play it again. I'll go $6 this time. I'll do the $3 materials quantity. I'll do $100 in advertising. I'll do sales promotions. I'm going to pick no on the internet. And I'm going to pick the Goodie Mixer. And this time I made money. All right, so what I want you to do for this assignment is to play this 20 times and to put your answers into the spreadsheet I provided. And then you'll have some questions to answer for the reflection. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks and have a good day.